I want to show you 3 easy ways to insert fractions in Microsoft Word. For fractions like 1/2, you just type 1/2 and hit a space. This also works for 1/4 and for 3/4. But for other fractions, this isn't going to do it. So here's how I do those. For a lot of the other fractions, say like 2/3, I can just search on 2/3 Unicode. Hit return. And there it is. I'm just going to highlight that, right click and copy, come back here, and there it is, 2/3 as a symbol for Microsoft Word. That works for a lot of fractions. The one last way, if you have something like 5/37, here's how you do a crazy fraction like that in Microsoft Word. You go to Insert in the Menu tab, go to Equation, Insert New Equation. And up here, you find fraction. And you have some different options. And I'll just choose this first stacked fraction. Now I could type 5/37 and make it a little bigger. And that's the other way you can get kind of non-standard fractions. And you can often change the font or the color, anything you like. So those are 3 ways that you can insert fractions in Microsoft Word. If you have other ways, leave a comment, let me know. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.